think in this country, 5% of our carbon emissions are thought to come from damaged and degraded peatlands. Peat loss is varied. It depends very much on the state of that particular bit of peat bog. So where we've got fully vegetated peat bog but it's just not quite wet enough, the oxidisation rates are relatively slow. But we do know that where we've just got the last little bits of very wet peat that needs revegetating, that we could be losing in places up to a centimetre of peat a year. The good news is that we know that if we can get that vegetating very quickly, it goes from a state where it's losing a lot of carbon dioxide, it goes immediately into a state where it's sucking up carbon dioxide. It's thought that Thorne and Crowle Moors at the moment, we are sequestering more carbon dioxide than we're giving off. And as we improve our restoration and we invest more in peat restoration, we will only be sequestering more carbon, and the balance will be improved even more because we'll be giving off much less carbon dioxide than we are at the moment. But the key thing really is bog moss, sphagnum moss. Sphagnum is the best sequesterer of carbon in a mature bog.